ama the name be pre or paper on it. Account created. You confirm your email you correct and so you link your card you correct and so you confirm your mobile number and so you correct so hanum. Tianya sa name we first of all, email. To over send the email by your inbox. Inbox okay, service PayPal. Welcome to PayPal. Okay. The account be bring na ABB in and I'm send the messages call inbox ma. On our messages in number. To confirm it. Welcome to PayPal. When I who did kind of so to confirm my email. You be correct hanum. Log into your PayPal account. PayPal no in my last pass and my password. Nti umia we so a eno be fail ama unya so be kai password no. Nti emia eno be fail password na my confirm my email. Checking your info. Tiafe information be on beso many be on send about email address. Your email is all set and this is your number to phone number in me can catch you say any kind me catch you say phone number is very very important. They say your person will link your phone number or verify your phone number no. You say this is your number to get a code. I'm send the code be about test now. Yes. Any information number na about test now man. The paper for number they are brain. The code in any 640256 or copy. Now they are question paper on him code. Yeah. So when code now or send there baba. The confirm. To confirm me my. I'm about 5 minutes. So once me confirm me, I just almost ask enough for bro. Nah, yeah, still I spy. So I'm person say phone number phone no one change. Within 5 minutes now to me verify and there's a phone new be a phone in your there. So your phone is all set. Now you can send and receive money with your mobile number and your account is more secure. They want your your account is secure. The first point of call your phone. Phone they say your driver's license why didn't you there be an new chain. The first point of call your phone number. Verify your phone number. The information be a text messages be a service be a issue online be about test now account and so said the honor. But then baby an laptop and answer machine in your chain or the hala baby a website nesunti we download app no phone so and answer or tablet so tunnel bear and answer hala ebe ma wa access information be also there no password no or username and our email address and a password and I'm say the last pass na ye nti unkai enfan shehon my bra app no bisa no ti download the LastPass app never master password and there said doubt him would be no real LastPass ma obe fele say na nyina ma our phone so and our tablets ti enko my account maybe they can be a refresh na already busy on yes. Account created, email confirmed, phone confirmed. It's a link card pay of any account no AI verified. I don't know. A link card no card pay. Bet me verify my they can verify the card. Tiafe ubekoto no ahwe PayPal ni name wo mini bibia baby. The way I order me dey be na me ada but meet me up obi amwa ya ma it kana be tia kakra amane pana boa that is all they say your number na test now number ni number we now the free customer service bia o free pe number we straightforward the answer internet connection or tablet and so phone so akwa ayikwa app bi wo hono ma computer screen bit me afre okay they say o card no now link card na the numbers we link card na PayPal where we ho adwuma